Alright, so we're gonna be focusing on the second clip because that's where I'm gonna put the effect. So let's hide the first layer first. And first thing I want to do is add a rectangle shape or square shape. And then you're gonna stretch it to composition area. And after that, we're going to add an effect called fractal warp. And here we're going to move down the layer so we could see the edges, and just adjust the fractal warp so that it looks like a paper. So you can adjust it however you like. Okay, I say that's paper-like. It's not really accurate, but then that's fine. Now we're gonna go to details, add 2 keyframes like this, then go to the second keyframe and just move the details to the right a little. Just a little would be fine. There you go. And then next thing that you're going to do is going to add a copy background effect. So it's gonna be here like so, and then we're gonna add an effect called, I don't know, find edges. Yep. And there you go, there's the find edges. And last effect is time quantization. Now you can adjust the time quantization to however you like, but I think 5 should be enough. Here, let's see, 10, yeah, let's just go with 5. And next thing we're going to do is go here and adjust it all the way back to the center like so, and then excuse me, increase the size so that it covers up the whole area like so. And we're going to add 2 keyframes on pan movement, and then go to the first keyframe, then bring that all the way down so you don't see it, and there you go. Now you can go a bit more higher on the second keyframe if there's edges, if the edges are showing up. So as you can see here, it's showing up here in this part, so I raised it a little so it doesn't appear. And there you go. Now if you have premium, you can do this graph over here, this stairs graph, and just increase the steps, and then it will look way better. So, but if you don't have one, then that's fine, you can just stick to this, but I'm gonna go with the stairs one. Anyway, after you've done that, we are going to add another square shape layer, and then we are going to stretch that to composition area, make it big a little so it can capture everything, and then go to mask, select mask, and then group all these. There you go. now we're gonna do the transition. So for the transition, it's just a basic slide transition. So we're going to go to the pan, add 2 keyframes and make this slide transition. The transition doesn't need to be powerful because we're gonna add like a white squares in between the layers, so it's gonna be fine. Just make sure you add tiles. So mirror, there you go. Same thing here, do the same thing. And then add tiles, mirror, there you go. So now we have our slide transition. Now we're going to finally do the last one, which is the white one. So we're gonna increase the length, the whole transition duration, and then we're gonna change the color to white or whatever you like. That rhymes. And then we're gonna go to matte mask and key, then select wipe, add 2 keyframes on start, then at the first keyframe set this start over 100 or exactly 100, doesn't really matter. Excuse me. And now we're gonna add this graph here, like so, and then we're gonna go to the end, go here and set the second keyframe, then to -0 or over -0. Then we're gonna add this graph here, and there you go. That is it. See that? Let's play that on real time. There you go. And if you want, you can add a shadow for this white shape here. But yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you learned something great today, something new. Alright, peace out.